guys, it's a Chookman here once again. I just want to quickly talk about body filler. Now, what I've done is I've mixed it all up and I've smeared it all on there, and now I let it dry. And I want to talk about how we get it smooth, so we're happy with it. You just got to keep sanding back. Try to use this stuff here, because if you use a sander, you'll take too much bog off. This is called wet and dry. You can get this anywhere in an auto bun shop. Stick it in the water, give it a bit of a clean, and then give it a bit of a scrub back and forwards. Now you'll feel with your hand, you'll feel a lip. That's no good. So it's got to be nice and smooth like that. It can't have any lip. That's got a big lip. So you just keep rubbing it back. I know it's boring, but you've got to do this to get the effect. So there was a bit of rust along here. Not heaps of rust, but enough for me to say I don't like that look of that. And I've covered it up, and now it's just hanging back. And guys, don't forget, if you're going to do this, look it up on YouTube. Talk to people, they'll explain to you how to sand, how to use body filler and how to sand. You learn by your mistakes, and you just get better as you go along. Alright guys, have a good day, and I'll talk to you all later.